What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here and I have Marty and Kristina. We got the Whipple Supercharged Camaro. NA Camaro. No super today. And today we're here because we're going to be installing some carbon fiber bits and bits. And who better to install it than one of the addicts?
I got a problem. One
of the carbon fiber addicts. And I say one of them because the other one is Rob. And but yeah, we got some pieces from my Extreme Online store. And we're gonna be covering the side mirrors, and then on the inside we got a center console for the gear, little cover here, and then we got a radio cover. So we're gonna be showing you how to install those. They seem pretty simple. The two pieces for the interior already have the 3M tape on them, and so all we have to do is kind of wipe it down, stick it on there, hold some pressure for a little bit, and put them on. And then for the side mirrors, there is the 3M tape. It's separate, so we just kind of have to like fit it in there, see where we want to put the tape, put them on there, and that should be easy. So yeah, pretty quick, simple video. All three pieces, you can find them online. I'm going to put a link in the description for each and one of them. And yeah, let's just jump right into it. Yep. And what does it match? The nice steering wheel. Check it out. Oh yeah. Woo. All right, there you have it. Pretty simple. Clean the surface, peel the strip, and just stick it. Looks really good. Really good. It matches with the car. Really good, really good. Matches a beautiful steering wheel. Yeah, yeah. car looks really nice. It's all clean. Some carbon fiber pieces inside, matches the carbon fiber steering wheel. The side mirrors look pretty good with that color car. So yeah, you know what to do. If you like the video, smash that like button. Let us know in the comments what you think, and subscribe to see what's coming up next. Now that the Whipple Camaro is all sorted out, we're gonna be out and having some fun. I know it's summer, it's hot, so we haven't been doing much except for track day here and there, and maybe a Cars and Coffee like once a month out of all of them, but it's just too hot right now. So yeah, thanks to Extreme Online Store for hooking us up with these carbon fiber pieces, and yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.